case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1971 Supreme Court case of Pennsylvania Commonwealth v. English, a controversial debate regarding the legality of forcibly recollecting a debt took center stage. William English, the defendant in question, was embroiled in a heated argument over a mere $10 debt owed to him by Roosevelt English. Tensions escalated, culminating in a fatal punch from William that led to Roosevelt striking his head on the pavement and eventually succumbing to injuries 8 days later. William had been initially convicted of voluntary manslaughter. However, during his trial, the Commonwealth sought to reclassify the charge as felony murder, arguing that William's forceful attempt to retrieve his owed $10 constituted an attempted robbery. William defended himself, arguing that he had no intention of committing a robbery. He was simply attempting to collect a debt. After a grueling 4-day trial, the jury found William guilty despite his defense. However, a major wrinkle in the case came to light. The trial judge had erroneously instructed the jury that the mere act of forcibly taking property, even in an attempt to recoup a debt, could be considered a robbery. This significant misstep led to the negation of William's defense, and thus a new trial was granted based on these grounds of error. Despite the granted new trial, the court ruled against William, affirming his guilty verdict. The court reasoned that irrespective of William's belief that he was owed money, his violent actions to retrieve it were inexcusable. Consequently, William was still convicted of voluntary manslaughter, a verdict that could not be overturned even with the granting of a new trial.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.